Have you ever wondered how information is available in internet, and if you search for any information, you want to watch movie, you want to watch any video, you're searching that movie name or video name and it's coming. So it's like how it's coming. So it's coming because of data centers. So data centers is a place where the data is stored, and when you search for the data, it divides the whatever you search, that information divides in small packets and it reaches to the data center, and from there data center will analyze like what you search for, what you are searching for, and it sends back the information you are searched and you are required. So that will be happen in 1 to 2 seconds. So that's why you are, when you are searching, immediately the result will be on your phone or in your on your display. So this is how data centers are working. So nowadays every company, like every state, is attracting investors to invest in data centers, they are bringing the companies to invest in our states like Amravati and Hyderabad. The many companies are investing to build their data centers. Like top companies are interested to build data centers. So with these data centers, there is a problem with data centers. Data centers, to run data centers, we need tons of water, around 100 tons of water for a single data to be transferred. So like that we need huge water. So for that, if some company comes and they want to invest or start a data center in our state, so they need huge water. So it's going to make a problem with the water deficiency, and it will huge problem to us in water scarcity, and also it what is this called, it to be it gives more noise and the pollution also. So like in other countries like USA, so one data center is invested and they started data center in some particular location. So after few years, their water is polluted and their air is polluted, their sound also huge coming from that data centers. But now what happening, because of data centers. So if you are in your state, data center is coming to particular location, so everyone is buying lands nearly to that location, and they are making real estate there. But what if the same situation happens here? So it's very dangerous, and also we can't avoid that data centers. We need data centers because as a country in India, we can't depend on other countries' data centers like US and other countries. It's very difficult. Data is very important. Also, data is a key. What is called, not it is more than diamonds. Nowadays, data is more than gold and everything. So we need to protect our data, our Indian like defense system data, like Aadhaar and everything. We need data centers. For that, we can't depend on other countries' data centers. So if anything happens, so they don't even allow us to access our data. They access the data, and it's going to be much problem to us. So to overcome this, we need compulsory data centers should be built by Indian companies and invested by Indian companies. So for this, we should do approach to sustainability. We should make sure that we should protect the environment, and we would protect the nature and the water. Everything we should protect it. Also, we need to build the data centers. So data centers is must. If you ask, it is must, because you can't depend on the US or other countries' data centers. Nowadays we are using all apps related to other countries. We don't have any social media app. So dependency, we should not depend on other countries. So for that, we need compulsory data centers, which is our data centers. Like China, how they are doing, they banned all US apps, and they have their own apps. Now they have their own data centers, and even they are not even taking chips, semiconductors from other countries like Nvidia. Recently they banned Nvidia chips. So they are encouraging make in China, so chips to use. So their government is not ready to take other countries chips because the data, so they don't want to lose the data of their country. So that's very important. So we also think towards that, and we need to develop our own data centers with the sustainability.